Here we'll demonstrate how to use custom products we've created for you in your self-service account. First, you'll need to sign into your self-service account with your username and password. Next, you'll choose Append a List. In the Custom Products tab, you'll see all the custom products we've created for you. Choose the one that suits your needs. In this case, we'll select Single Best Match Mobile plus Email Append, then click Next. Upload the file that you're looking to append by dragging and dropping it into the Upload field, or click in the field and search for your file wherever it is stored on your device. After uploading your file, you'll need to map your file. Mapping your file is where you tell our system what your column headers mean so we can use them accordingly. Here, we'll map first name, last name, street address, city, state, and postal code. If you need to reset the headers, you may select Reset and select another title. Any existing columns of data in your list that are not mapped are ignored by our system, allowing you to select specific columns or required fields of data. After mapping your file, click Next. Now that the file is mapped, you'll then review your order. Please keep in mind that the quantities listed in the Estimator tool are not reading your actual file, but are instead providing numbers based on historical matches. After review, it's time to finalize your order. After submitting your order, our system will begin processing. Expect an email notification to make you aware when your file has been processed. Then, sign into your self-service account and download your appended file. If you are a subscription user, please note that you can ignore the $75 minimum file processing fee. This is because subscription users don't have to pay minimum file processing fees. This concludes how to use your custom products inside your self-service account. Thank you so much for using Accurate Append for your data appending needs.